Alright, so I got everything laid out for the slabs we about to build for my partner. He want to go with the LCG. He trying to build something to race, so he dropped it off over here. So I'm just gonna go over what we got. So the LCG kit back here. Everything that comes with it is all right here. New chassis plate, receiver, box, front skid plate, different motor mount, battery hold down. I think that's a transmission spare gear cover, rear skid plate, whatever that is. That's the old style chassis. I'm gonna go with the Techno drive shaft. This wheelie bar, this is for the drag slash. Let's say you have to buy this little piece with it also. 17mm adapters. We're gonna go with the GRP. Slick. That's an old man. It's a little beat up. So, in theory, what he wants to eventually come up with is something like this right yonder. And this is a rally with a Castle. I think it's 2028 800 kV motor on this one. It did have the Poseidon, but we burned it up. Run it on 8S. I don't think it's rated for 8S. Well, it's not my car. I wasn't running it. Got the Castle XLX ESC. Yeah, man, it's laid out. It's under construction right now. Gonna spin the spur gear. Yeah. Trying to go from this to that. It's got big boy shocks all the way around it. Aluminum drive shafts. It's built up nice. Got the side motor. Castle XLSC. Dual fans. Hey, that's set up. And this is a Traxxas Rally. Got a little lipo up under there, running the fans. Nice little setup.
Alright, y'all ready? Watch the light.
Calm down, James.